traditionally kind of hit them where they aren't.
Try to be, but sometimes it doesn't work out. But we're trying to make money like everybody else, and I think the conduit business for us, I mean, it's important, but it's been a lot of people competing for the same deal. So we've been in the interim space really since and distress space since 2008. So I would say probably 30 or 40% of our revenues are now coming from Europe, and we don't buy the loans, defaulted loans, but we like to take those defaulted loans and recapitalize those loans and turn them into performing loans. And there's a lot of value in that. It's not something that a bank can do very easily because of all the regulatory constraints. And speaking to some of my friends up here that are bankers, they look at the transactions and say, we would love to do those transactions, but try to get those through our credit process. And that's where the opportunity is to try to take advantage of where the regulatory pressures are making risk reward out of whack, and you can do something that's a little creative. You don't really have to be that smart. You just have to go where other people can't use their capital. We did that in the States 2008 through 2011, and now been active in Europe. And again, the transitional market that Blackstone's been playing in, we've been playing it in a smaller scale, probably doing somewhere around $1.5 billion a year of loans, probably more 20 to 75 million. But there's just value because the regulatory pressures are pushing the banks or CMBS investors aren't able to play there, and so there's continued to be value there. But I agree with you. I think I'm actually really excited about CMBS now, and then it's blown out, and that capital's come out of the space, and it just looks so attractive, as everyone here is saying. I think that's going to be a great year, and try to capture that value coming back in the market.